Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and today you guys, I am participating in the Useful DIY Challenge for the month of February, and it's hosted by the lovely MomDas of MomDas Life Handmade, and her co-host for this challenge this month is Regal Designs by Shushana. I will leave both of their informations in my description box below. I ask that you go over and pay them both a visit. Today, you guys, I'm going to share with you how I turned this trash box into a treasure box by creating a candle holder, a desktop candle holder. So you guys continue to watch as I continue to share with you how I create this. And to those of you that it's your first time stopping by, let me say welcome. I thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel and you would like to become a part of my family, then all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button and then tap the notification bell twice, so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and for those of you that are part of my family already, I thank you, I appreciate you, and I pray that you guys will continue to be blessed and continue to enjoy this video. So you guys, in this video, I was at work at my workstation, and a little compact here, but I got it done. So I apologize for whatever that may irritate you in this video here, but I'm trying to get it done in such a small space. So I do apologize for that.